Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have had this question a lot. Why in the world do people pay such high prices when I go to resell and flip an item on Amazon? I've had a lot of people ask me when I do an unboxing video and then I show my results numbers, why in the world would somebody pay $15 for a set of napkins? Why do people pay such high prices on Amazon? Well, I'll tell you right now, first and foremost, it's convenience. You can buy from home. You can buy from your phone. Nowadays, you can even tell Alexa to buy it for you on Amazon. And so everything is really, really easy and simple to do on Amazon. And so I've got a bunch of different reasons why. First and foremost, it's convenience. And along with that convenience, so you've got buy from home, buy from your phone, have Alexa buy it for you, ship it right to your front door. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to leave your house. And that's a huge convenience to a lot of people. And then they've got free shipping. If you're an Amazon Prime customer, you have free shipping. And Amazon Prime comes with a lot more than just buying the product. You can get movies and a lot of free conveniences just for being a Prime customer. But first and foremost, it's the free shipping. Also, the quick shipping. If you're a Prime customer, generally it's packaged within 2 days. Around the Christmas time, you'll get it within a week. When it's not Christmas time, sometimes you get it the next day or the day after you order it. And so the convenience of having it very, very quickly and not having to leave your house is huge. The other thing too that I have found very beneficial is people can make gift lists or send you the link to that item, and you know you're buying exactly what they wanted for their particular celebration. So Christmas time, I utilize the gift list all the time. And so they just send me a link of their wish list, and I buy 3 or 4 things off the list, tell them what I bought, or it gets checked off the list, and there you go. I have exactly what they want. The biggest reason, convenience. That's why people pay such high prices. And if you're not paying for shipping because you're a Prime customer, sometimes it is less money than driving all the way to the store and back. And let's face it, time is money. When you have more time to do other things, time is money. And that's the reason why people pay higher prices on Amazon. And so that's the reason why I'm able to list things for higher prices as an Amazon reseller. So I hope this has been helpful and kind of answers the question, why in the world do people pay so much? Well, I've just told you. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.